Hello, dear Golden Seniors. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt invisible in your own home? Maybe your children ignore your calls, brush off your advice, or speak to you in ways that hurt your heart. It's normal to feel upset, frustrated, even angry. But what if I told you that anger isn't the answer? What if there's a wiser, calmer way to handle this, so you stay at peace and even strengthen your relationship with your children? Today, I want to share that wisdom with you. And by the end of this video, you'll have practical steps you can use right away to respond wisely without losing your calm. First, let's understand why children sometimes act this way. It's often not about us. Life is busy, stressful, and complicated for them. They have their own worries, their own pressures, and sometimes they just don't realize how their actions affect us. Remember this, their behavior is not a measure of your worth. Think about it. How many times have we been caught up in our own world and forgotten to call our parents or check on them? It happens, and our children are human too. Here's a small exercise. Take a deep breath and repeat to yourself, I am valuable and my love matters, even if it isn't always acknowledged by my children. Pause for a moment, dead friend. Think about one child and a recent interaction where you felt ignored. Hold that thought. Later, we'll come back to it and see how to respond differently to it in a wise way. When children disrespect or ignore us, the first impulse is often to get angry. And it's okay to feel that anger. It's just normal. But reacting in anger usually pushes them further away from us, and that breeds hate for us. Instead, here's what to do. Pause before responding. Give yourself a moment to choose your words. Reflect instead of react. Ask yourself, why did this happen? How can I respond in a way that helps, not hurts? Respond calmly. Gentle words can work wonders. I feel hurt when this happens. Can we talk about it? Let me share a story. One day, my daughter spoke sharply to me. I felt a rush of anger, but I paused. I took a sip of tea and said, I understand you're busy. Let's talk when we both have time. That calm moment turned tension into connection. Can you think of a moment when pausing before reacting helped you avoid conflict? As a senior, another important step is leading by example. Children watch more than they listen. When we show patience, respect, and understanding, even when they don't, they learn from us. Here's what you can do. Keep your life active and joyful. Pursue hobbies, friendships, and interests that keeps you busy and don't give you space to think and get worried of their bad attitude towards you. Share your wisdom gently with them when you have the opportunity to do so without forcing them to adhere to it. Did you know the first 5 minutes after waking could be the most important of your day, maybe even your life? Hello, friends. Here's a simple 5-minute morning routine that wakes up your body, calms your mind, and adds years to your life. 1. Hydrate. Sip water slowly, add lemon if you like, and think of something you're grateful for. 2. Gentle body stretching. Roll your shoulders. Stretch your arms and bend lightly to wake up your muscles. 3. Deep breathing exercise. Inhale slowly, hold, then exhale. Repeat a few times to calm your mind. 4. Mindful gratitude. Think of one thing you're thankful for the day. Let it warm your heart. 5. Plan your day. Pick 3 small tasks to accomplish. Purpose gives your day meaning. Do this every morning, and over time, you'll feel more energy, better health, and add more years to your life. Do you practice any of this in the morning? Let me know in the comments section. Attached is the long-form video. Like this video for other seniors to see it, and also join the Golden Senior community. I wish you a bright morning always.